Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create these cornrow braids into Updo with teardrop shape. Beginning from the partings. First you need the middle parting, and after that I create the teardrop shape. Now when it's created, I braid that section first. I spray some water before starting, and then I take 3 equal strands from the front and start to move strands alternately from side under to the middle, and while doing that I add hair from the both sides of the braid. So right under, add hair from the right side, left under, add hair from the left side, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating like this until you braided the whole section inside of the braid. Next, I will part small slices from the both sides of the teardrop. As you can see, they start from the front and they follow the same shape of the teardrop. I already braided the first side, and now I show how to make it to the another side. First, spray some water. After that, take 3 small slices from the front and start to braid again like a Dutch braid. Every time you move the strand from side under to the middle, add hair. So left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair. Make sure that the section you're adding in is not too big, and just keep on repeating this pattern. Last but not least, I create yet more Dutch braids on the sides. I take the section like this, spray some water before starting, and again create a Dutch braid. Take 3 small strands from the front and start the braid, bringing them from side under to the middle. Like all the braids before this, also this braid needs more hair from the both sides. So right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, and left under, add hair. After first few stitches, I start the braid in the way that I stop adding hair from the left side of the braid. So I keep on adding hair from the right side, but not on this side. In this way, the braid will follow left side of the parting, and the braid will be much more closer to the previous braids than what it would be if I would add hair from the both sides. Continue braiding in this way until you braided the whole section in. Once you finish the first side, repeat the same pattern to the another side. Then just put all the hair to the ponytail, and now I will create the updo. Spread the hair around like this, take the bubble and create the bun shape. Spread the shape. This makes more voluminous look. Then take the small piece of the hair and flip it through the bubble. Just bring the end of the hair through the bubble so you can create the loop, then spread it a bit and take the new hair. The end of the loop can be added to the next loop, and so go on. In that way, the hair won't look that messy and the ends will be nicely inside the bun. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!